In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live sports on YouTube TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to YouTube TV. And now once you're here, make sure to sign in on the top right hand corner with your account. And then on the top, we've got that live button here. So we've got library, home and live. So go ahead and click onto live. And from here we can scroll down and we can view all the live sports. So we've got this football game that's live. Keep scrolling down. We've got Sports Center live. You've got more live here. Texas Bowl, NC State at Stanford, India at Low. And you can see your upcoming live as well. You got Santa Cruz Warriors at Valley Suns. So these are all the live sports and upcoming live sports. If we go back to home, we can go and click onto sports. So you got these tabs along here, shows, movie, sports. Click onto the sports tab. And now scroll down, we can see current live games. There's only one at the moment. If we scroll down again, you can see on now and upcoming as well. And we've got pick for you, all the different sports. And also here you got upcoming games. So yeah, that's how to watch live sports on YouTube TV.